Welcome to Mixing with the Geek. To go along with Leonard Nimoy's debut album, Mr. Spock's Music from Outer Space, we'll be making Mr. Spock's Mind Meld Mojito. It's basically a cucumber mojito with gin instead of white rum. Let's get started. So you're gonna grab your mixing tin and add 6 to 8 mint leaves, 3 cucumber slices, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and about 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. Now we're gonna grab our muddler and mash the ingredients together. It helps if you give a bit of a twist as you press down. And this mashing helps to extract the mint and cucumber flavors, and it also helps to dissolve the sugar in the lime juice. Next, we're gonna add 2 ounces of gin. Now I use Bombay Sapphire East. It's a bit mellower than your average London dry gin, and I feel it suits this cocktail very well. Now you're gonna fill your tin with cubed ice and stir. Now we're gonna let this mixture sit for about 20 seconds as we grab a tall Collins glass, and we're gonna fill it with fresh ice. Next, we strain the contents of our mixing tin into our glass. Now we're gonna top the rest of this glass with club soda. And finally, we're gonna garnish with a cucumber slice and a mint sprig. Serve with a straw. Boom! And there you have Mr. Spock's Mind Meld Mojito. Let's taste it out. Ooh. Wow. Okay, yes. This is a very refreshing, crisp drink, and the way the gin plays with all that, oh wow, it's magical. And now I know there's a lot of people who don't like gin, and I think you're really gonna like this because none of that medicinal sort of flavor comes out in this drink. It gets mixed in there with the cucumber and mint. Thank you guys for watching. Check out the Spock episode if you haven't already, and be sure to enjoy responsibly. I am your vinyl geek. Live long and prosper.